Why, welcome, brothers. My brothers. Tonight, straight from the Dragon Ball Super mangas, we're gonna draw Elec, the leader of the Heaters. He has his own personal gambit. To reveal to everyone that his brother is superior. He's the one who endorsed his youngest brother, Gas, into becoming the strongest. And to be honest, that didn't go so well for him. He ended up getting vaporized by Black Frieza. Remember I drew him? Yeah, it's really amazing. At first, when I found out Frieza had a black transformation, I was all like, what? Frieza has a new form! Seriously, even Ultra Ego Vegeta didn't stand a chance. Neither did Ultra Instinct Goku. Just imagine this. If Hakaishin Ultra Instinct Gogeta were to battle against the Heaters, especially Elec, he would be unstoppable, even with Granola by his side. I wasn't exactly a fan of the Granola and Moro arcs because of, well, I thought that Goku's friends and family would be disappointed after the Tournament of Power, even though Goku was still trying to find a way to get Ultra Instinct back. I first thought that Goku would at least just give up and run away. You know, after he failed to do Ultra Instinct. He probably would stop being friends with everyone that he loved just because he wasn't able to achieve it. I did see a few trailers about a machine that can activate Ultra Instinct at will. But that didn't end up so well. Thanks to Whis banging Goku with his staff. I mean, what kind of an angel would do that? He would probably get removed from the council just by doing something like that. That'd be something a jerk would do. But after learning Ultra Instinct from an angel named Maris, he was able to master it at will. He can do it whenever he wants. I mean, it's been that way since the Moro arc. Since then, Goku's been achieving a lot of heights with Ultra Instinct. Eventually, with Ultra Ego just around the corner, I started to miss Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved, otherwise known as Super Saiyan Royal Blue. Super Saiyan Royal Blue was probably one of the best Super Saiyan God transformations of all time. And to be honest, I actually kind of miss it. I hope they show it more often. I wish that Goku would achieve that form at will as well. He would even be able to fuse the two forms together. Like Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan, combined with Ultra Instinct. No, hang on, that's backwards. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved, plus Ultra Instinct. Yeah, perfect! That'd be something I want to see. Alexa, play Limit Break X Survivor Type B.
Limit Break X Survivor, Instrumental C Type by Dragon Ball Super BGM.
There we go.
On Amazon Music.
Here is Alex. Arms. This thing to draw, and that's his teeth belt. I also have a tusk necklace on my wall. I never exactly wore it, but I'll show it you guys real soon. Anyway, that's how you draw Elec. There he is. Wow. Who would have thought I'd draw him so fast? What a hunch. Anyway, that's all the time I have for now. Let me know what new fighter you want me to draw next. I'm always here and I won't stop until they're all complete. Stay good, source. See you later, boys. Good night.